Have you ever wished there was a simple, free tool that could instantly make your videos look far more professional without spending hours editing or purchasing expensive software? Whether you create YouTube videos, educational tutorials, social media content, or faceless videos, adding smooth motion graphics can dramatically improve your video's quality and keep viewers engaged from beginning to end. The good news is you no longer need advanced editing skills or costly applications to achieve this. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an incredible free AI-powered tool that allows you to transform your own images into stunning animated motion graphics within minutes. Whether you're explaining a concept, presenting information, or simply making your videos more visually appealing, this tool can help you create professional-looking animations effortlessly. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial and explore everything this amazing free tool has to offer. So, without making the introduction any longer, let's jump straight into explaining this tool. It is an incredibly simple tool that helps you create professional videos or animated intros for your videos in the form of motion graphics. It allows you to produce high-quality visual presentations with minimal effort. Honestly, this free tool is fantastic. It uses artificial intelligence to transform your own images into beautiful motion graphics that you can include in your videos whenever you're explaining a specific topic or presenting a particular section of your content. First of all, I'll leave the link to this free tool in the description below the video. Once you open the website, simply click on Try It for Free. Immediately, you'll be taken to the main interface of the tool without needing to enter your email address, create an account, or provide a credit card. As you can see, the tool is completely free to use. With this tool, you can animate your own images to create educational videos, presentations, tutorials, or virtually any type of content you want. It also includes several different features that we'll explore throughout this video. After entering the tool, the first option you'll notice is the frame size, which determines the dimensions of your video. There are several aspect ratios available depending on the platform you're creating content for. For example, you can choose a standard landscape format for long-form YouTube videos, or select formats designed specifically for Facebook videos, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and many other social media platforms. There is a wide variety of aspect ratios available, making it easy to create content that perfectly matches the platform where you'll be publishing your videos. Now, just below that, you'll find the section where you can upload multiple images. In order for the animation to look its best, you'll need to fill all of these image slots. For this demonstration, I'll use a few of my own images so you can clearly see the final result in the video. The tool also provides a variety of animation styles, each offering a different visual effect. We'll go through every one of them in this short tutorial, so you can choose the style that best fits your own content. Before we begin exploring the animations, let's upload some images so the interface displays everything properly. Simply click here, then navigate to the folder where your images are stored and upload them just like this. Of course, you'll want to use images that are relevant to the video you're creating. In my case, I'm only using these sample images for demonstration purposes. For the best possible results, I highly recommend filling every available image slot, as this allows the tool to generate much smoother and more attractive animations. As you can see, once all the images have been uploaded, you'll have several customization options available at the bottom of the interface. The first setting lets you control the rotation speed of the animation. For example, if you set it to 5 seconds, the images will rotate much faster. If you increase it to 15 seconds, the movement becomes slower and more relaxed. I'll leave mine set to 10 seconds, which provides a nice balance between speed and smoothness. Next, you can adjust the overall size of the layout, allowing you to make the animation larger or smaller depending on your needs. You can also change the overall shape and arrangement of the images. For instance, you can display them in a circular ring layout or choose from several other available designs. There are plenty of different configurations to experiment with, giving you complete creative freedom over how your images are presented. In addition to that, you can switch to another layout style here. You'll also find options for changing the way the images move. For example, there's a smooth animation style for gentle transitions, a snappy style for quicker, more dynamic movement, as well as several other animation presets. You'll also find controls for adjusting the card layout, spacing, sizing, and various other display settings. We'll go through each of these options one by one so you can fully understand how every feature works. As you can see, all of these animations can be integrated directly into your video editing workflow. With nothing more than artificial intelligence, you can create professional-looking animated sequences while explaining a particular topic or highlighting an important point in your video. These animated slides are especially useful when creating YouTube tutorials, educational content, presentations, comparisons, product showcases, or even displaying multiple YouTube thumbnails side by side for analysis. There are countless creative ways to take advantage of this tool, and I'm sure you'll discover even more ideas as you begin using it yourself. Now let's continue exploring the rest of the available customization options. Over here, you can further adjust the overall appearance of your images by changing their size and the way they're displayed within the animation. You'll also find settings that allow you to modify the corners of your images, making them either sharper or more rounded depending on the style you're looking for. Right below that, you can control the spacing between each image, allowing you to bring them closer together or spread them farther apart to achieve a cleaner and more balanced composition. The tool offers a wide variety of different layouts and animation styles. You can experiment with each one until you find the design that perfectly matches the look and feel of your video. For example, you can choose this layout or switch to another one that displays your images in the form of animated slides. Although the tool itself is very simple, it can significantly improve the editing quality of your videos and make them look much more professional. Honestly, there are plenty of beautiful templates and creative presets available. Each one provides a unique animation style that can easily enhance your content without requiring any advanced editing skills. This is especially useful for YouTube creators who produce educational videos, tutorials, reviews, presentations, or faceless content. Instead of displaying static images on the screen, you can present them with smooth AI-generated animations that immediately make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. For example, while explaining a particular concept, you can display a sequence of animated images instead of switching between them manually. This creates a much more dynamic viewing experience and helps keep your audience focused throughout the video. Another great use for this tool is comparing different YouTube thumbnails, showcasing products, presenting before and after examples, displaying project portfolios, or even illustrating step-by-step tutorials with smooth transitions. Honestly, there are countless ways to incorporate these animations into your editing workflow. Once you start experimenting with the different layouts and animation styles, you'll quickly discover how versatile and powerful this free AI tool really is. One of the things I like most about it is that everything is incredibly easy to use. Even if you've never worked with motion graphics before, you can still create professional-looking animations in just a few minutes. That's what makes this tool such an excellent addition to any content creator's toolkit, especially if you're looking to improve the production quality of your videos without investing in expensive AI tools. Once you've selected the template that best suits your project, uploaded your images, and adjusted all the settings to your liking, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the download button. At this point, the website may ask you to sign in using your email address. After completing the registration process, you'll be able to export your animation directly to your computer for free and in high quality. The entire process is incredibly simple and only takes a few minutes from start to finish. You don't need any professional editing experience, advanced motion graphics knowledge, or expensive software subscriptions. With just a few clicks, you can create smooth, eye-catching AI-generated animations that instantly elevate the quality of your videos and give them a much more professional appearance. Whether you're producing YouTube tutorials, educational content, business presentations, product showcases, social media videos, or faceless YouTube channels, this tool can become one of your favorite resources for creating engaging visual content quickly and efficiently. I personally believe this is one of those hidden AI tools that deserves much more attention because of how easy it is to use and how impressive the results can be. If you're looking for a fast and free way to improve your editing workflow, it's definitely worth giving this tool a try. And that's everything I wanted to share with you in today's video. I genuinely hope you found this AI tool helpful and that it becomes a valuable addition to your video editing workflow. If you're serious about creating more engaging content without spending a fortune on expensive software, then this is definitely a tool you'll want to keep in your creative toolbox. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to continue creating more high-quality tutorials like this one. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos about AI tools, YouTube growth, content creation, video editing, automation, and the latest technologies that can help you create professional content faster and easier. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried this tool before? Or perhaps you know another free AI tool that deserves to be featured on the channel? Leave your suggestions in the comments. I read every single one, and many of my future videos are inspired by your recommendations. Finally, if you think this video could help a friend, a fellow content creator, or anyone looking to improve their videos, please share it with them. You never know who might discover a tool that completely transforms the way they create content. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support, and I truly appreciate every like, every comment, and every subscription. Until next time, stay creative, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.